Hey friends, if Discord is not opening on your PC or your laptop, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix that. So first is we need to make a restart of our computer by right-clicking at the start button, shut down or sign out and then restart your computer. Now usually a simple restart can fix a problem, but if not, then we need to move to the next methods. Next method is search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar. Click on it. Maximize this, and then we are going to look for the Discord in the list of apps running in the background, and then just make a right click and then select End Task. Once done, in the background processes, look for Discord, anything related to Discord. And once you find that, just simply make a right click and then select End Task. Also for the details, look for something that is related to Discord. So if you find something in your Windows, then just simply make a right click and then select End Process Tree. So if this is the Discord, anything related to Discord or discord.exe, just make a right click and then select End Process Tree. Once done, press the Windows key and R button together. Here you need to type percentage up data percentage and then click on OK. Then look for a folder named Discord, double click. Then we need to delete these folders, the cache, the code cache, and the GPU cache. So click on this and then right click and then select delete. For the code cache, right click, select delete. And for the GPU cache, right click and then select delete. Once done, close this and then see if Discord is opening this time. Next method is we need to make a right click of our Discord icon on the desktop, right click and then select run as administrator. Now, in some cases, this will work. And however, if you cannot find the Discord icon on your desktop, just make a search for Discord in the Windows search bar, right click and then select Run as Administrator. Then Discord will be opening. Next method is we need to click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane, click on Windows Update. We also need to make sure that our Windows is updated. So if you are checking for updates right here, click on that. Download and install updates, click on that. And then if you have this option restart now, then you need to click on that and your PC will be restarted. And right after that, see if Discord is opening. Next method is we need to open the command prompt. So type CMD in the Windows search bar and then in the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. We are going to repair the Windows or repair our computer. Type here as subc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now and hit on enter. Now this process will take some time, so we need to wait for this. Now once done, you just need to type exit and then hit on enter. And then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your computer. And right after restarting your computer, see if Discord opens this time. And for the last method is you need to click on the start button and go to settings. On the left pane, you need to click on apps. Click on installed apps, the first option. Wait for all the applications to load. Then here we need to search for Discord. So if you find Discord, click on these three dots and then select uninstall and then uninstall once again. Now once you have uninstalled the Discord application, just simply open a browser. So I'm going to open the Microsoft Edge browser. You can also open the Google Chrome browser. And here just type discord.com. It's discord.com and hit on enter. And here you just need to scroll down first. And then you just need to click on this download for Windows to reinstall the Discord application into your computer. And once that is installed again into your Windows, then that by that time Discord will open. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.